Alright guys, cheers. I'm in Patsumbu right now. I arrived here and I'm gonna park my car right here next to a gas station, which is maybe more safer if I don't come back tonight. Yeah, I have to leave my car at somewhere safe. So yeah, today I'll be heading this way. So just around the mountains there's a river running, and there's another river running from there and there. So there's 1, 2, 3 different rivers are flowing and attributing to each other. So right now I'm ready to leave and everything's packed, ready. My bike is ready, so I have some tire pressure, I have some front light, rear light, I got some packs, my tents, sleeping bags, and of course my Alright guys, my packs are ready and I'm leaving right now. I'm gonna cross the railway first, and then I'm gonna get to the first river and near the bridge, near the wooden bridge. So last time I actually fished there with my family. At the same time, so I have to stay in tent at the temperature of -3 or 4 degrees at least at this place. Yeah, so it'll be no brainer. All right, I'll see you at the bridge, guys. Yeah, there's a little bit of mud around here. It's drier than, it's much drier than I've been here before. I got some loose luggage already on it, and I can see the bridge right now. Yeah, so I'll see you at the bridge. Guys, I'm gonna catch some crickets and I'm gonna feed them to the fish. I'm going to use them as a bait. So I'm gonna catch my first bait. Okay, I got a black one. Okay, now I got about 5 crickets. I think it's time. So I just arrived at the first river, near the bridge, just under the bridge actually. Yeah, this is sandy. I'm gonna need more power. Yeah, so I'm winter coat, so it's fine. Now it's actually around 8 degrees, 9 degrees. It's not too bad. It's quite sunny out here, so I'm very pleased. All right, so let's start jumping on my rod. So ready to put my rod together, and I'm gonna tie first. Try a dry fly at this stream right here. So last time my kids caught small trout, which is very pleasant. You don't really catch too much fish around here. You don't really hope too much, but yeah, if you hit jackpot, yeah, we get some fish. Otherwise, yeah, aligned, so easier and much better to put the line in, the fishing line. So the fly lines are pretty heavy, you know, they float on the water. So yeah, I got my rod ready and assembled. I waited for the right time, the fall season, because this summer wasn't easy to have to really go ahead because it's so rainy throughout the summer. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm almost ready and assembled my rod. So now I only have to put my rod inside my loop right here. I'm actually going to use the live bait like in between my fishing, so try it out, so how it works. All right, I'm gonna do my first cast. I'm gonna dry fly. So I got this dry fly right here. There might be a lot of mistakes you guys will notice. Give me a comment if you have any advice for me for my next fishing trip. Actually, this is a very beautiful area, you know. There's a lot of cars driving across the bridge, but still very peaceful. But it's fine. Maybe I'll try the chubby or the hoppy or the hopper. Yeah, I might try the hopper. If we get some sign, it'd be great. Figure out if there's any fish in the water, so I'm gonna put my camera in the water, so if we could see anything around. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, I got my line stuck up, so I have to cross the stream. I have to walk through here. So bring my line back. False. I lost my hopper, so okay, it's fine. I'm gonna stop moving now. All right, I'm moving from here. I'm gonna try to find another better fishing spot. Yeah, so hopefully I'm gonna be back to my car before dark. So maybe I will spend my night in a tent next to the river. That'll be awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna cook this evening, and I'm not really hungry right now, so I'll be not eating too much right now. Haven't spent too much energy, so it's pretty bad. Right now I have about 20 pounds of weight behind me, and I'm trying to figure out my balance. Actually, my balance isn't so good at the moment. I'll be trying to get onto the road. This is quite muddy and actually quite a lot of yeah, it's rough, so I'll be trying to get onto the road. Actually, it's not road, but it's a Mongolian highway, you know. It's a truck, it's a dirt truck made by cars just driving. Okay, I found a stream around here. I think it's come from the ground. Alright, I'll be moving from here. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, so I just found the stream right here. Another stream. It's quite golden out here. The leaves are starting to go away. Yeah, I'm gonna dip my GoPro in here. So I see there's two ducks just around the. All right. Actually, there's no road, there's no tracks or nothing around here. I'm just off road. There might be fish around, so I'm not sure, but I don't want to spend my time here. I found another grasshopper just next to the riverbank, so I'm gonna be putting him on hook. So I think I lost it. I try to cast the line through the grass and probably hook the grasshopper in the grass. Any other plant, maybe. Guys, I'm trying to catch fish whole day, you know, but hasn't got a luck until now. It's getting a little bit late. Олчт. Alright guys, I just made it back to the car. Unfortunately we haven't caught any fish today. I'm just wondering what I should do next. Should I stay here overnight and cook by myself on a gas stove, or just head back home? I'm really not sure. I'm just literally nowhere, and I'm starving right now. Haven't eaten a thing, so just whole day fishing, spent fishing and biking. My bike got really dirty, real dirty, yeah. And my things are about to get fallen off. I had to keep them, push it back. So that's how I came. Alright guys, it's getting a little bit dark, and I think I should maybe head back home. I was thinking, put my stuff in the car and just leave, you know. And that's around 2 hours drive, but that's fine. Alright, cheers, peace guys, see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.